In this tutorial, you'll learn how to reduce your video file size step by step. First, open your file properties and check the file size. Then, open your browser. Next, enter the URL in the address bar and type video size compressor. Switch to the tab with your video size converter, then select the Reduce Video File option. After that, use the Choose Files button to start the file upload, and click the thumbnail of your video to select the correct file. Next, select the Files button if prompted. Go to the Video section and click the Compress button to begin reducing the file size. Once finished, review the results by clicking on the saved percentage, then download your newly compressed video. Now, use the clipboard if you wish to copy details, monitor download progress, and preview the compressed file by selecting its thumbnail. Finally, open File Properties of the new file to review the size, and you can see your video file size has been reduced successfully. You've now learned how to efficiently compress and manage your video files.